All right, so I tried the repair, and as you see, it's all wet. It didn't hold. So I think this is not an original hose because of that little issue right there. So went to AutoZone. They didn't have the exact hose. I got a hose that kind of gave me the shape. I trimmed off a lot of this end so that it would fit from where that hose comes out and go up and hopefully clear the what is that, compressor. So I think this angle will do it, and then it actually kind of bends just enough to be able to get to there. So let me go ahead, put it on, and then show you what that looks like, and if so, this is going to be a complete fix instead of a temp fix. All right, so I got it on. This is what we got working with. I've got about an inch and a half clearance here. So as long as that compressor doesn't kick out when it engages, I think we'll be good. I did the twisting so that it gets it as close as possible to this radiator to keep that clearance. So the radiator does shake a little bit, but I think it'll be fine. So just to show you, I got an oversized hose because they didn't have an exact fit. I cut off a bunch of pieces from both ends until I got a nice fit like this with no repair required, and I'm gonna fill her up, hit the road, take a look at the temperature, and see how we do. This should be a good fix as long as this hose doesn't expand, which it shouldn't because it's new, and as long as that compressor doesn't kick out to the point where it's rubbing and then we have the same situation all over again, which basically means we just get a proper hose. That's all it is. All right, I'm gonna go get some water. I'm hot. I lose all my water in the radiator coolant tank.